welcome back to my channel. In today's video is talking about dark mode in iOS 13 and Xcode 11. So this video is talking about how to prevent from the dark mode feature if user enable the dark mode in their setting. It affects to our application if our application is not support dark mode. And okay, let me show you how to set your application to the light mode only. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we have two options. The first option is we need to update the key user interface bar in your info.plist, and the second option we can set in your app delegate. Okay, let me show you about the first option, how to do that. The first thing, you can go to the info.plist, and after that you can open it a source code and find somewhere for you can put key, and inside key you can put UI user interface style. It is a key, and value is string like this, and you put what the application support. For example, my application support only light mode. It's not supported dark mode, so I can put here light. Right. So my application is not affected even if user change to the dark mode. It is the first, and the second one is going to the app builder or see a little bit like it. You can go to right here and you can check our work for the iOS 13 and 1. Check the condition. If window drop over okay, for information, the window object and the aggregate for the Xcode 11 is now gone to the single bit, so you can put right here. Alright, user interface. Go to the right. It is the second option that you can use to change method right here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have a question, please comment below this video. See you in the next video.